scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a new pocket page love video. Finally, right? I have been totally just not doing well with my pocket pages, even though I told myself I was going to do really well and do 100 days for the 100 days project, and I did none, I think. So this is the first one, and I think we're already on I want to say day 50. I don't even remember. I think it started April 7th. So yeah, probably pretty close to day 50. I can't do math, so don't trust me. Anyway, so yeah, I'm trying to make up for lost time, and I am using my scrapbookingstore.com kit for the month of June, which is a 4th of July theme. And so I had these photos from 2018. The first layout that I scrapbooked was fireworks from 2018, and you will have already seen that. I will link it below. This is the extra Frodos. Oh my goodness, I can't talk. Sorry, guys. So these are the extra fireworks photos that I had left over. So I am just going to put them in a pocket page, and we are going to call that good for this little 4th of July spread. So here you can see I am starting off by cutting down, 3 different pattern papers. 2 of them I did 4x6s, and then 1 I did as a 3x4. So I am just going to continue cutting and embellishing and layering on all of these pieces. This layout came together, or this pocket page, I guess I should say, came together pretty fast, even for a pocket page, because pocket pages usually take me about the same amount of time as my layouts do, but this one came together probably even in less time than it would take me to do a normal layout lately, because lately I've been speeding through my layouts. I'll do a layout in 30 to 40 minutes, but this one actually only took me 26 minutes. Can you believe that? That's insane, right? But I love how it turns out, and it makes me so happy to get these memories scrapped. I don't know about you guys, but it hurts my heart that I have so many photos that aren't scrapbooked, and in the last few years, I am trying to get over that, and I'm doing really, really well. But now that my boys are getting older, it just, I don't know, it hurts that they can't look back on these memories because I haven't scrapbooked them. But really, in the end, I think I'm making these scrapbooks for me more than anything. I will sometimes find Jonas looking at the scrapbooks. He is my kid that really loves looking back on things, and Brennan does too, but I think Jonas is a little bit more into looking at the photos and trying to remember, I guess. Okay, so here you can see I have cut down this blue striped paper, and that I did because I knew I wanted this journaling card to be for journaling, because the other layout that I did, I didn't leave room for any journaling. And so I'm going to do all the journaling about our fireworks on the pocket page. So I'll do some journaling on that 3x4 card, and if I need more space to do journaling, I will put it on that bottom left. Is that the left? Yes, it is. Sorry. USA card, because that one is also has the lines on it, so I can totally do some journaling on there too. So here I am pulling in some of my Nuvo drops. Now, I've had these Nuvo drops forever. I think I explained this in my last video. And to my surprise, this cap wasn't as clogged up as the first one that I tried using. So this one was really easy to clean out, which was nice for a change. And so here I'm just adding 3 enamel dot sized blobs on 3 of the cards, and then I add one underneath each of the letters of USA. And let's see, what else am I gonna do? It's a very good question. I don't know. I just made this the other day too, and I completely don't remember. But, oh, here I'm going to add another piece to this banner. I just thought that corner looked a little bare, so I added some more. And then I'm going to pull in some more stickers from the 12 by 12 sticker sheet that came in the kit. I really liked that arrow, but it wasn't going to fit on that pattern paper. So what I'm going to decide to do is put it here to the side on the left of that photo. And then I'm going to cut down this striped paper and I'm going to glue that underneath it. And that works out just as a little layering cluster. Very simple. I think that's all that I do. I don't think I add any more. Yeah, I don't add anything else to it. And I know you can't really tell because it's dark, but there are people in these photos. And yes, you do have to look hard at that very top left one, but I'm okay with that. I just like looking at these photos, even if they're not super clear, and remembering we enjoyed this time as a family. So I am going to glue that extra piece of the blue tag that's down in that bottom right hand corner photo. And I'm going to glue it on this photo, and then I'm going to glue this cute little heart sticker on there. And then the extra piece from that heart sticker I'm going to stick to that other photo, and then I think I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a great and wonderful day, and make sure you subscribe and click that bell button for notifications. Bye!